Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get some free premium sound packs and loops and awesome melodies from Cymatics. And this is a little trick. And by the way guys, I have already recorded this video and this is just a voiceover, okay, because I really thought this trick is not gonna work, but it did work, and that's why you're watching this video. Anyway, so yeah, like I said, and if you follow the simple steps, you can also get these free packs absolutely free, okay. And don't worry about it, you don't even have to put your credit card details, they will just provide you download, okay. This is really clean, smooth, and I guess they only have 4 days left so you can go ahead and get the code. So these are my cards. I have put FX, which is $3, and 808, which is $3, and vocal, which is $3, and rest are free, okay. Rest of them are free, and there's a quantity of 2. I don't want it, I'll select it as 1. And that's 2. I'm gonna select it as 1, which makes it a total of $9, okay, because remember our card is just $10, okay. And I'll say no thanks to that little guy that pops up, and there's a code that I received from my email, okay. And if you don't have that code, I think this code will still work if you just copy and paste it. I'll put this code in the description too. I'm pretty sure this is gonna work, okay. And this box, this window will appear, and at the top I will say no thanks because they want us to add $25 bundles. I'm gonna say no because my goal is to keep this absolutely free, $0, okay. And I'm gonna say no thanks. They will put, if you're interested, you can obviously go ahead and get them too. And that box will appear, and here I'll paste the code and apply. And I have to actually, and it's done, okay, which makes it absolutely $0, okay, which is absolutely free. And I have to provide the details, so I'm gonna do that, which is an autofill. It wouldn't take less than a second. And yep, I missed a step there. I actually had to put my email address, but I didn't. I'll get back. I'm not gonna edit any of this part. I'm gonna keep it 100% real, okay. So I'm gonna fill my email address right there. Obviously I have to blur that out. And that's done. I'm gonna continue payment and wait for it. And it's your order requires no payment, just pay now, okay. Just click on here. It won't ask for a credit card and stuff like that, okay. Details I meant. And it will load. And here we have our all download links, okay, of the box, okay. And you can just click on any individual links like FX and 808 essentials, and it will just download, okay. You don't even have to provide your, you just get the links without even providing your credit card details and stuff like that. And I think this link will be available like it says in your email address. They will put the link in your email, so you don't have to worry about it, okay. So it's, as you can see, it's downloading, and I'm canceling that because it's 600 megabytes and my net is like insanely fast. So yeah guys, this is how you get some free awesome packs from Cymatics. You know Cymatics, I love these guys, and you're getting all of them for free. And I'm pausing there, but I'm still talking like I said, this is just a voiceover. I thought this is not gonna work, but this worked, and I'm talking in the blank space. Anyway guys, I really hope it helps. Please subscribe, rate, comment, share, all those awesome stuff. Do check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next video. Peace guys, I'm out.
Get up! Get out of the way, make room!
I think I'm sitting on a nail.
My turn!
Hey!